Welcome back. I'm so glad that you guys had a good lunch. Yes?
Yes.
Awesome. Good. Well, we've already talked about Rome and the the Roman Empire. We've talked about different emperors. We've talked about people that have come in and kind of taken over. And so we've got now to move forward, and we're going to talk about the fall of the Western Roman Empire. These are going to be the vocabulary words for this unit. We've got invasion, inflation, corruption, expansion, overthrow, and abandoned. So let's talk about the first one, all right? Does anyone know what the definition of invasion is?
Takeover.
A takeover. Okay, I like that. Let's try that. Takeover. Does anybody want to add to that?
To intrude.
To intrude. Wow. Listen to these words. You guys are doing really good. All right, so takeover and intrude. Do these sound like friendly words or not?
Not friendly words.
Not friendly. So what would be the opposite of friendly?
Hostile.
Hostile. Very good, Chantel. Hostile. So, a hostile takeover or a hostile intrusion would be much like the germs that attacked our bodies when many of us were out for the flu, right? It wasn't something that was good or pleasant. It was something that was hostile, and it took over our bodies for a moment and made us really sick. And so that's what an invasion is. People invaded the Western Roman Empire and took that territory over, okay? So we want to go ahead and, like, giving you the first one, invasion. So I want you guys to take your 4 square paper. You have your 8.5 by 11 page that I gave each one of you?
Yes.
All right. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your paper, fold it in half, and then fold it again. And then you guys will go ahead and put your categories as I have here. The word, a sentence, your definition, and your memory picture. Okay? For instance, with me, I chose the word inflation. Inflation is a continual increase in the price of goods and services. Okay? So it means that prices are continuously going up. And so when prices are going up, it means that you can't necessarily afford things anymore, right? So what I did is I used a picture of a shirt going from $1 to now $5, okay? And for the definition, I put that information in here. If you guys, for your definition, you can try to use your context clues in your textbook, or you can go to Merriam's Learner's Dictionary. As you guys know, that's the only one I'll let you use online because it makes it a lot simpler. And then you want to write your word here, and then I want you to create your own sentence using the word, okay? All right, so I'm going to give you 5 minutes to work in your group. Go ahead, each one of you take one word and put your thing together. Okay? Very good. All right, so are we ready? Okay, good. All right, great. You guys did such a good job with the vocabulary words. I'm so proud of you. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through the cause and effect. The causes and effects that led to the fall of the Western Roman Empire. All right, so can someone tell me what a cause is? Anybody? Something that happens, exactly. So the cause, we want to go into our text and we're going to look at what were some of the things that happened that led to the fall of the Western Roman Empire. All right, so what's an effect?
Something that happened because of the cause.
Right, something that happened because of the cause, or we might refer to that as a result, right? The result of something that happened. So if you guys will turn in your textbooks to page 34 and 35, you can look there to see if there's any causes that led to some effect that resulted completely in the fall of the Roman Empire, okay? So in your groups, I've got you guys all put together by 6. So the 6 of you, if you can go through and put your causes and effects, and then you guys, we're going to go ahead and share out afterwards, okay? Awesome. So go ahead and get started, and we'll check back in a minute. So Okay, everybody, so if you guys, we only got about 10 minutes left, so if you can, real quick, get your little journals out and put what you've learned today. And remember, the statements that I want is what I learned today is, and then you go ahead and finish that statement, okay? And if you guys can all just drop it into Miss V's box over here on your left when you leave, then we'll pick up again tomorrow, all right? Thank you so much. Okay. Now I'll introduce. You tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Vandalyn Creighton, and this is Brandman University's EDSU530 class for the SDAIE Strategy project. And these were my the programs that I used. I used the cause and effect graphic organizer, which helps students to understand how to identify what are some of the causes that would lead up to a particular event and the effects and how those things are associated with the fall of the Western Roman Empire. I also used a 4-square vocabulary activity that taught students how to not only locate and understand or recognize a word, but to define the word, and then to, of course, put the word in a sentence and use some type of a memory clue that would help them to remember not only the word itself, but its meaning. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening.